Hey everybody, today we have Fireball Island, the Curse of Valkyr. Run! At Restoration Games, we believe every game deserves another turn. No game deserves it more than the 1986 classic Fireball Island. We are thrilled to bring this game back to a new generation, and now it's better than ever. Bigger island, bigger Valkyr, more marbles, more hammer, and a fast, fun game for friends and family. Fireball Island. Warning: explosives to excessive heat can cause damage to the game board. Fireball Island, Wreck of the Crimson Cutlass. Fireball Island, The Last Adventure. Fireball Island, Virginia Hidden Bees. Fireball Island. Send help! I need a quick help! Fireball Island. Wreck of the Crimson Bees. Not so close! Fireball Island. Virginia Hidden Bees. I need a vacation for this vacation! Fireball Island. Fireball Island. Fireball Island. Fireball Island. Rock you like a fireball. Fireball Island. Check it out. See what it's all about. It's Fireball Island. Fireball. Fireball Island. The island is a fireball. Fireball Island. Fireball Island. I think I had that right. There you go, Fireball Island. And here's Valkyr. It goes here. Check him out, Fireball Island. Man, check it out. You got this helicopter. Fireball Island. You got these awesome, like, palm trees. Palm trees. Fireball Island. You also have these amazing dice. Dice are nice. 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 And in this special unboxing video, you get to actually see how to put it together to Fireball Island, the game, the ball game. Fireball. Rock you like a fireball. Island, the game. The ball game. Fireball. Fireball Island. I like the board. I don't know about the Huzzah! Fireball Island. So anyway, we also have this weird sled thing, and we have cards everywhere. We got like people, which what you're trying to do is you're trying to get your people. Trying to get your people, hey. Trying to get them, like you're trying to get them like Fireball Island. trying to get you various different peoples. And they start and they go around. You're supposed to take pictures and whatnot without getting run over. You're supposed to find this jewel or whatever. Fireball Island. You got this piece. You got some more pieces. You got some more random pieces. Trying to you got these various different cards. These marbles are pretty cool. I mean, they you drop them in its head and they go random places, and you can move them around like that, and so you go to another direction, and as you can see, they roll. That's pretty cool. And if it knocks you guys over, the other guys are out. Okay, Fireball. Fireball Island. The game. The board game. Anyway, you got all these cards that are literally all over the place. Fire, temporary visa documentation, flame dashers, blister runs. So you're trying to take these pictures. And you take the pictures. Whoever has the most points at the end of the game wins. That's how it works. It's all literally all mixed up. Here's your other characters. You got these are literally they're literally all mixed up. They're all mixed up. You got these item cards. What you do in Fireball Island, if you know, is go around and basically try to go to certain locations, and then you take that picture and you get that card. You take a picture of certain cards, and whoever gets all the pictures first, I guess, is the winner or something. Fireball Island. But while you're doing that, every once in a while, you shoot marbles at your opponents to try to detour them from getting to all the pictures. And that's basically the game. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. It's amazing. Just look at that beautiful bowl. Look at the beautiful bowl. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Purple mountains, majesty. All of these stuff. It's a glorious game. You know, I remember God is good all the time. All the time. I've shared. Jesus, God, Jesus, Lord, Jesus, everything. A very wonderful day. So if you don't comment, subscribe, and share to Jeffrey Scarborough's Board Game and Geek Things, and regular Jeffrey Scarborough, I will curse you with millions of curses. You heard him. You're really right.
Yeah, subscribe to Jeffrey Scarborough's Board Game and Geek Things. He's awesome, amazing. Yeah.
Have you heard that awesome, amazing Thing. Oh man, that Luther Corp. Darn. Fireball. Rocking like a fireball. Island. Yeah. So. Yeah, should all going back in, please. See, shabam, shabam, shabam. Going back in, please.
I played that all the time when I was a kid. Like we had OG Fireball Island.
Oh,
My
yeah.
brother just bought this for him and his son to play.
Great. See, we have a stunning endorsement from.
Oh, sorry. Hey, this game is great. Play it. It's wonderful.
We have a stunning endorsement. He said he used to play the OG. You used to play the OG one, huh?
Yeah.